Okay, now we'll be starting with logistics, specifically with material management. I hope the server is not down. Slow because we left it idle, but anyways. Just re-log in.
अच्छा इसकी सर ये मेन विंडो यही होगी जो शो हो रही है। जी जी ठीक है। ओके।
Okay, now starting with logistics, we'll be starting with materials management and we'll start with material master material, and we will create a material. Okay, for example, M800 AA42 industrial sector, mechanical engineering, material type, part, select views. Come on, don't hang up, don't hang up. Okay, logistics, material management, material master, material, MM01. This is your T code. MM01 is your T code that you can see over here. Okay. Mechanical engineering, material type, part, select views. Now, these are the views that you will actually use for your material creation. Okay. Organization levels, AA42 storage locations, org, channel, enter, and basic unit of measure. I know this might sound a little daunting to you that I'm going so fast, but once you actually practice one or two times, you will get the hang of it. Okay. Visual data. Okay, basic data. Okay, this is done. Sales org, sales unit, delivering plant. We can mention the plant VST 3, sales org. Okay. Material price group, we don't need these, all of these. Cross weight 1, net weight 1, and transportation group, loading group. Now, why do we need these? Because this is necessary for MRP. MRP is material requirements planning. Okay. We go to the next one, and that is MRP. Now, MRP basically is for production planning. Come on. It's hanging up, but at least you'll get an idea. Okay, MRP1. Now, MRP has 4 parts. MRP 1, 2, 3, and 4. And each MRP has 4 parts each, so there are 16 parts. Okay. Now, MRP 1, it's general data, which has purchasing group. We can also configure. Right now, we're just talking about front end right now. We are making a material master. Okay. And lot sizing procedure is X. And in MRP1, we have general data like unit of measure, MRP group, under which MRP will be run. Purchasing group, which will be responsible for purchasing this material or producing. Okay. MRP type, whether this will go through MRP run or not. Reorder point, at what point the stock level falls that it will reorder MRP to be run. Cycles are planned. You can plan multiple cycles. MRP controller, the person who is going to run this MRP. Lot size 1, fixed lot size 1, and MRP 2. Okay, MR procurement type X, which means it can be produced internally or procured externally. So we give the option X, which means it is allowing both the types, which is both procurement types, either in-house, external, no procurement, or both procurement types. So we take X. Okay, in-house production 1 day, GR processing time, planned delivery time is also 1 day. Scheduling margin key will also see what is scheduling, but that is only for production planning. Okay, net requirement, again, that's part of production planning. MRP 3. Strategy group. Strategy group is basically make to stock production option. We'll just see what that is. And that is make to stock, production by lot, pre-planning assembly, pre-planning without assembly, make to order, no assembly order, and so on and so forth. So it's make to stock. Okay. Planning plant, availability check. Availability check will be 0, 1. Let's see the options that we have. Daily requirements, individual requirements, daily requirements. MRP 4.
सर ये ड्यूरिंग लेक्चर सवाल कर सकते हैं?
Yes. Now what we are creating basically is material master, how to create a material master. Now why do we create a material master? Because we want raw materials, semi-finished goods, and finished goods in our factory. Okay. For every material type. Now, what is material type? Raw material, semi-finished good, and finished good. Okay. Under every raw material, there will be several other material types in form of raw material. Okay. So we actually bring controls through these tabs that we see, basic data. And for example, if I go to this basic data, we actually are telling that this is a finished good. M800 is a car which will be produced in pieces. Okay. Material group. Now, material group basically, what material group? Now, material group basically, what is material group? Now, there can be many material group, like in automotive, we can have for finished good, FERT. Now, FERT is a code in SAP for finished good by default. Okay. In finished goods, basically, we tell them the material group can be sports car, passenger car, SUV. Okay, these can be material groups. So this is material group. Division. Now, what is division? Division can be your business vertical, niche, okay, or a business line. Okay, your business line is passenger vehicle, SUV, and so on. Yeah. So that can be division, and division can be your geographical area as well. Like you are dealing with cities like Dubai, Philadelphia, okay, Delhi. These are your these are your cities basically. Okay. Now, I am making this material for division 0 for material group 01, basic data 2. Again, there are some more that if you have information about book part number or standard description as per the industry, we can actually mention it over here. Sales org. Now for the what is sales org, we'll see that as well. Now sales org is a unit in SAP. There are many other units like company code, controlling area, purchase org, location, storage location, sales org, sales office, division, sales office, sales areas, and sales org comes. Now, what is the hierarchy? Let me tell you that hierarchy. Now, hierarchy is at the top comes company, then comes controlling area. Now, controlling area controls cost center accounting, profit center accounting, product costing. Product costing. And under controlling area comes company codes into N number. N number. Any number of company codes can report to controlling area. Under company codes comes sales org, purchase org. Under purchase org comes a location. Under sales org comes sales areas, divisions. Okay. And under location, and we have storage location also, right? So this is the hierarchy, reporting hierarchy. Company code is your operational unit. Operational unit. It basically produces its own financial statements, plus it also takes care of the operations under it, like sales and purchasing, and of course, other areas. Okay. That being said, also under company code, we have personal areas, which are for HCM. Now, personal areas are geographical areas. Under personal areas, we have personal sub areas, which are office and factory, right? So the payrolls basically are working under this. Payrolls are different, and that's how the hierarchy goes. I hope this is clear. That's why we're creating a material master. That's why we have given input tax, no tax rate, sales org. Now, additional details. That's how you create sales general plant. Pieces gross weight will be 1, net weight will be 1 kg. Availability check is to check for daily requirements for MRP. Transportation group is basically how it will be transported on pallets using a crane, loading. Okay. And we can also mention a profit center, right? I hope this is clear. Mehtab? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, MRP, how do we want to plan our output of this car? And for that, we will run an MRP. It will be lot for lot order quantity. Okay. MRP 2, I'm listening to it. Let's see. Okay. Procurement type will be both procurement types. In-house production will take 1 day, GR processing 1 day, and delivery time will be 1 day. So MRP 3, it will be make to stock production. Availability check again for machines and for material, and for requirements is 0, 1. Okay, MRP 4, individual collections. No, it will be